I am Umer Inamullah from grade 5. Today I am sharing to you an experiment of growing potato from seeds. So let's know the thing which I required for it. As you can see clearly, I have two jars, one of water, one of soil, one bowl of soil, also one fresh potato, one spoon, one glass of water, and four toothpicks. Very firstly, I will start four toothpicks on the side of potato. And balance it in water jar and let it remain a few weeks later. After a few weeks later, the roots of potato. It is ready to adjust in the soil jar. So let's adjust these roots and potato in the soil jar. And give some soil and water to grow it properly. This is the easiest way to grow the potato from seeds. Thank you.